Welcome everyone. Let's talk about Ansible AWX. Imagine a magic control panel for Ansible. AWX does just that. It streamlines automation, brings order to your infrastructure chaos, and lets you schedule tasks like a pro. Think of it as your digital butler for managing playbooks. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Before we install AWX, let's check our toolkit. You need a Linux OS. Windows users, I feel your pain. Python, Docker, and some decent RAM are a must. AWX is powerful, but even magic needs a strong foundation. Let's talk numbers. AWX loves CPU and RAM, so don't skimp. A stable network is essential, because AWX without connectivity is like a phone without Wi-Fi. And trust me, you don't want AWX running on a potato. Here's where the magic begins. Docker is your backstage crew, making AWX possible. Run a quick Docker version check. If Docker is missing, AWX is just a dream. Docker Compose. Think of it as the conductor orchestrating all your containers. Welcome to AWX. First things first, let's log in. Open up that browser and type in your AWX server address. If this feels like hacking, don't worry, you're doing it legally. Log in using the provided admin credentials and voila, your dashboard appears. Take a moment to explore. This will soon become your command center. Finally, check that AWX is talking to Ansible correctly because, let's be honest, miscommunications here could be a nightmare. Now let's talk admin power. You'll need a reliable admin user to manage AWX smoothly. Head to user settings and create a new user, but don't just pick admin 123 as a password, make it strong. Assign the necessary roles because delegation is key. Imagine AWX as a kingdom. Without a well-defined ruler, things could get chaotic. So set this up properly, and your AWX realm will run like a dream. Inventories, the backbone of any Ansible setup. Head over to the inventory section and start defining hosts and groups. Think of it like organizing a party guest list. You need to know who's coming and how they'll interact. Set up credentials properly. Without them, it's like locking guests out of the party. Finally, double-check everything for errors before execution, because troubleshooting later can be a headache. Projects and jobs where the magic happens. First, link your project to a source control repository to keep things in check. Next, job templates. These are your automation blueprints, so define them wisely. Set execution environments to ensure jobs run smoothly. Finally, run a few test jobs. Think of it like a dress rehearsal before the big show. Because let's be real, debugging live automation is no fun. Troubleshooting, the unsung hero of IT. If things go sideways, start with logs. They're like your system's diary, spilling all its secrets. Verify dependencies and configurations, because one mismatched setting can break everything. Sometimes all AWX needs is a quick restart, like a nap to refresh itself. And when all else fails, reach out to the community, because someone out there has probably had the same headache. Congratulations, you made it through AWX setup. Now, review your automation process and fine-tune it for maximum efficiency. There are always ways to optimize, so keep tweaking. Explore advanced features. AWX is a treasure trove of capabilities. And don't stop learning, engage with the community. After all, continuous improvement is the name of the game in automation. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.